So we're just going to do a quick little instructional on how to check the temperature of your cooked steak just by simply using a reference of touching of your hand. So the area that we're going to be pushing down is going to be right here at the base of your hand, at the base of your thumb. And when you put your thumb and your pointer finger together, this bit of meat right here is going to resemble a rare steak. You advance one finger to your middle finger. That is medium rare, approximately. Third finger is going to be a nice medium steak. We see it's starting to get firm. And then once we touch our thumb and our pinky finger together, that is a well done steak, completely firm. Hope this helps.